our hats off all the time, okay? But there are dues, and it's only $20 a year to belong. But the networking that you get, and you get into the internet with it, and we talk to people all over the world with it. If you want to be a queen and have your own chapter, it's $39 a year.
Okay. And if people want to find out, if there are women out there that want to find out maybe how to start their own chapter or get involved in a chapter that's in their neighborhood or town or city, how do they find that out?
They can go right on the web, www.redhatsociety.com.
Yeah.
Or if they see somebody with a red or pink hat, just ask.
Now, Jan, tell me what do you guys do when you get to? How often do you get together, and then what do? You go out to lunch a lot. I know that because I run into Red Hatters at lunches.
We're in water aerobics too, so half of our society is in our water aerobics.
Yeah.
And we exercise for an hour, and then we go out to lunch for an hour.
Cool.
So that's good. But we try to get together as a group with the Red Hat Society at least once a month, and we have different events. It's just to have fun.
Well, great. Well,
and we're not just about fun, Gordy. The Red Hat Society is heavily involved in a lot of charitable activities. So local charities we've helped with, raising funds for hospice care and different children's camps throughout the area.
Well, that's terrific. And
yeah, it's up to each chapter which direction they want to go.
Sure.
Some girls just like to meet at their houses every month. Other girls we travel to Missouri, we go to Arizona. There's conventions you can go to in England and all over the world.
Well,